Hello everyone. In this video, we will showcase 10 Excel formulas that can help Tally software users streamline their accounting and financial tasks. Here are 10 advanced Excel formulas that Tally software users may find useful. First one is VLOOKUP. This function is used to find a specific value in a table of data based on a matching value in the first column. It is commonly used to retrieve data from Tally software exports and reports. Second is SUMIFS. This function allows you to add up values in a range that meet multiple criteria. For example, you could use this function to sum the total sales for a specific product in a certain date range. Third, index match. This combination of functions allows you to look up a value in a table of data based on a matching value in any column, not just the first column as with VLOOKUP. Fourth is COUNTIFS. Similar to SUMIFS, this function allows you to count the number of cells in a range that meet multiple criteria. Fifth, concatenate. This function allows you to combine text from multiple cells into one cell. This can be useful for combining data from different columns or sheets. Sixth, left, right, mid. These functions allow you to extract a specific number of characters from the beginning, left, end, right, or middle, mid of a text string. 7 is round. This function allows you to round a number to a specified number of decimal places. This can be useful for formatting Tally data for presentation or analysis. 8 is if. This function allows you to specify a condition and return one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. This can be useful for creating dynamic reports based on Tally data. 9 is averageIfs. This function allows you to calculate the average of values in a range that meet multiple criteria. For example, you could use this function to calculate the average sales per day for a specific product in a certain date range. And the last 10th is SUMPRODUCT. This function allows you to multiply corresponding elements in multiple arrays and then sum the products. This can be useful for analyzing Tally data that is spread across multiple sheets or workbooks. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked our video.